Welcome back, students. Today we are going to solve some previous year questions which is related to locomotion and movement chapter of unit 6. Okay. So question number 1, which of these happens in muscle contraction? A, increase in calcium concentration level leads to the binding of calcium with a subunit of tropin on actin filament and thereby removing the masking of active site for myosin. B, during shortening of muscles, A band get reduced whereas I band retain the length. C, a muscle fiber is a syncytium. D, isotropic band of myofibril consists of myosin. So we have to choose the correct answer from the option below, in which in various choices they have given one option or more than one option. So we have to analyze the correct statement and then we will give the answer. So to solve this question, you just take 5 to 10 second time. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Which of these happen in muscle contraction? So in during the muscle contraction, obviously calcium level will get increase, leading to the binding of calcium with the troponin on actin fiber, right? And thereby removing the masking of active site for meiosis. This is correct statement. Then during shortening of muscle, A band get reduced whereas the I band retain the length. No, opposite. I band get reduced whereas the A band retain the length. So this one is a wrong statement. A muscle fiber is a syncytium. Yes, it is a syncytium. More than one nucleus are there, multinucleated. So this one is a correct statement. Then isotropic band of a myofibril consists of myosin. It is not consist of myosin, it is consist of actin. Okay, so this one is again a wrong statement. Clear? So according to me, choice number A and C would be the correct answer. So it is mentioned in only choice option 2. So option 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Now, question number 2. Which one of the following is a sesamoid bone? Sesamoid bone. Humerus, pterygoidal process, quadrate or patella? Just take 5-second time. Which one of the following is a sesamoid bone? Okay. So sesamoid bone is a type of bone which develop in with subtendons. Okay. So our kneecap, that is known as patella, it is a type of sesamoid bone. Okay, not others. Out of these 4 options, choice number 4 would be the correct answer. Okay. So choice number 4 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, match list 1 and 2. In list 1, they have given over here some kind of disorder which is related to muscles or bone, and in list 2 they have mentioned the type of disorder or type of disorder. Okay, so in list number 1, in A choice, tetany, then muscular dystrophy, then myasthenia, then osteoporosis given, and in list number 2, decreased level of estrogen, autoimmune disease, genetic disorder, and rapid spasm in muscle. So we have to correctly arrange it. Okay, so just take 5 to 10 second time. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Okay. So now let's discuss the correct answer. So, okay, D choice, osteoporosis they have given. Osteoporosis is a problem of elderly female. And what is the main reason? Main reason, just after menopause, decreased level of estrogen is the main reason of this osteoporosis. So D comes with the choice number A. Okay, so D comes with the choice number A. So out of these four options, only D comes with the choice number 1 in this second option. But still we are relate other options also. Okay, so D with the 1. Okay, and then C, misthenia. It is a type of autoimmune disease. Okay, while this muscular dystrophy is a type of genetic disorder. Muscular dystrophy is a type of genetic disorder in which muscles gets very weak, and that kind of person which who is suffering with this muscular dystrophy feeling difficulty in walking, sitting, climbing stairs and all these things, right? And so this one comes with the choice 2 and this 3. Tetany when extremely low calcium level is the main cause of this tetany, and this will create a muscular spasm in the body. Okay, so C comes with the fourth choice comes with the A option. Okay, so A with 4, B with 3, C with 2 and D with 1. So this sequence comes in the under second option. Clear? So this is the right answer of this question. Next, arrange the following vertebrae in a correct sequence. In a correct sequence: thoracic, lumbar, caudal, cervical, and sacral. 5-second time. Take 5-second time. Okay. So you must heard a type of problem which mostly people who work on the desktop or laptop, most of the time they are suffering with a problem known as cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis, in which cervical term come, and it is a type of vertebra present in our neck. So for at the first position, cervical vertebrae. Okay, and then this one is followed by the thoracic region. Okay, so at the second position, thoracic. Clear? Then lumbar, right? And then sacral, and at the last position, caudal. Right? So this must be the sequence: cervical at the first position, followed by thoracic and lumbar. So cervical, D. D is present at the first position in choice number 1 and in choice number 3. And after D, A is present in first. So obviously first choice would be the correct answer. Clear? So this is how you can learn the which type of vertebrae present at the topmost position, which one at the last position with the cervical spondylosis. Okay. Now matching, we have to match list 1 and list 2. They have given different type of bone structures present in our body, like skull, vertebral column, ribs, forelimbs in list 1, and list 2 they have mentioned number of bones: 30, 24, 22, 26, right? So we have to solve this question and arrange, match match it with the correct number with the correct type of bone. So you just take 5 to 10-second time for the same, and after that we will discuss the correct answer. Okay, so in our skull, total number of bones are, how many bones are there in our skull? Total number of bones are 29. If we collect both the ears, MIS, three bones, three tiny bones are present in our each ear, internal ear, right? And hyoid bone. If we cut those part, then total number of bones present in our skull is 22. Okay. If we collect that number also, then 29. So A comes with the choice number 3. It is 22. Okay. Now vertebral column. In our vertebral column, total number, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and all over the bones present in the our vertebral column, these are the 26 in number. Okay, so it comes with the choice number 4. Ribs 12 pairs means 24. So C comes with the 2, and 4 limbs remaining, that is 30. So D comes with the choice number 1. So this is how we can solve this type of questions. So A with 3, there are 3 different options in which A is related with the 3. Now let's discuss next. B with the 2, B with the 4th is present in choice number 1 and 2. 1 is associated with 2, which is wrong. So obviously choice number 1 would be the correct answer. Clear? Okay, so this is how we can solve this type of questions. Next question. They have given us 2 different statements, and we have to analyze which statement is correct, both correct, one correct, or both wrong. Okay, I'll read it out first. They have mentioned that muscular dystrophy, it is a autoimmune disease affecting neuromuscular junction, leading to fatigue, weakening, and paralysis of skeleton muscle. Statement number 2, they have mentioned rapid spasm means wild contractions in muscle due to low calcium in the body fluid are called gout disease. So just take your time, and then please, after 5 to 10 seconds we will discuss the correct answer. Okay, so muscular dystrophy, it is a genetic disease. It is a genetic disorder. Okay, not autoimmune disease, right? Yes, in this weakening of our muscular system occur, that particular person feel, in fact, paralysis can also happen in some kind of individual, and these type of persons suffering with difficult walking, and all kind of activity, feel difficulty in doing any kind of activity, but it is not a autoimmune disease, right? So this statement is wrong. In second statement, they have mentioned that rapid spasm, which is known as wild contraction in muscle, occur due to low calcium level, but that type of disease is known as tetany disease, not gout disease. Okay, so again this one is also wrong statement. So both statement 1 and 2 are wrong, and it is mentioned in choice number 2. So choice number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, again matching list 1 and list 2. List 1, clavicle, femur, ischium, patella mentioned, and in list 2, pelvic girdle, kneecap, thigh bone, and pectoral girdle. We have to match it correctly and then solve this question. So just take 5 to 10 second time. Okay, so now we will solve this question. Patella, it is with the help of tender, it actually make outer covering of knee. So it is also known as kneecap. Okay, so this patella we have matched with the kneecap. Choice number 2. Clear? This ischium. Ischium is a part of pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle. So this C comes with the choice number 1. Thigh bone, longest one, femur. So femur comes with the choice number 3. And clavicle is this type of bone which is related to this girdle, pectoral girdle. Right? So fourth choice of the list 2 comes with the A choice of list 1. So this is the sequence: A with 4. It is mentioned in 1 and 2. 2 with B with 3 is mentioned only in choice number 1. So femur, thigh bone, this one is correct. So choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, again matching. Okay, match list 1 with list 2. Type of joints they have mentioned here and found between. Okay, cartilaginous joint, ball and socket joint, fibrous joint and saddle joint. In list 2, between flat skull bones, between adjacent vertebrae in vertebral column, between carpals and metacarpals, and between humerus and pectoral girdle. So you just take 5 to 10 second time. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Okay, time up now. So cartilaginous joint. In which type of joint cartilage, small cartilage is present between the bones, that is between the vertebrae, right? So it is cartilaginous joint between the adjacent vertebrae in vertebral column. So A comes with the choice number 2. Ball and socket joint is present between both the type of girdles. In this case, between humerus and pectoral girdle, and also in the in the lower joint also, where femur with the pelvic girdle. So here ball and socket joint comes with the choice number 4 between humerus and pectoral girdle. Fibrous joint is present between the flat skull bones, right? So C comes with the choice number 1. Remaining saddle joints are present between carpals and metacarpals of thumb. So D comes with the 3 choice over here. So A with 2 is present in choice number 1 and 3. B with 4th is present in both. Okay. Then C with 1 is present only in first choice. So first choice would be the correct answer. Again matching list 1 and list 2. Rheumatoid arthritis, atherosclerosis, gout, angina pectoris, thickening of arteries, inflammation of synovial fluid, pain in the chest, accumulation of uric acid crystal in synovial joint. So we have to match it correctly. Just take your time. So rheumatoid arthritis, it is a joint related problem in which inflammation of synovial fluid or synovial membrane occur in knee joint. Okay, so it is this rheumatoid arthritis is related with the joints in which inflammation of synovial membrane occur. Okay, so A comes with the 2, second option, right? Atherosclerosis is a type of problem which is related to the artery thickness of arteries. Okay, so this is related with the choice number 1. C, gout. Gout is a problem in which accumulation of uric acid occur in the joints. Okay, so it is related with the accumulation of uric acid in the synovial joint occurs. So C comes with the choice number 4. And angina pectoris is a type of disease related to the heart or chest. Okay, so sudden pain, if somebody feels sudden pain in the chest, that is known as angina. Angina का दर्द बोलते हैं angina pectoris. Okay, so this must be the sequence. So A come with the 2. A come with the second choice. Also, out of 4, only A comes with 2 in fourth option. So fourth option would be the correct answer. Again, matching list 1 and list 2. Fast muscle fiber, slow muscle fiber, actin fiber, sarcomere. Here myoglobin, lactic acid, contractile unit, I band. We have to again match it correctly. So you just take your time, 5 to 10 seconds. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Okay. So fast muscle fiber. Fast muscle fiber are rich in myoglobin. These are rich in myoglobin. Okay, so these are helping in the aerobic respiration as well. While in slow muscle fiber, lactic acid are there, right? So A with the choice number 1, C with choice number 2. Actin fibers, actin filaments are present in the I band. Okay, C with the 4, and the contractile unit, whole contractile unit, in which some part of I band, then A band, then I band is present. That whole contractile unit is known as sarcomere. Sarcomere. So D comes with the choice number 3. So this must be the sequence pattern. A with 1, B with 2, C with 4, and D with, so choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. So these are some questions which is related to skeleton system and locomotion of unit 6. I hope most of the questions you are able to solve. Keep solving some more questions. If you will feel any doubt, any difficulty, please let me know. We will discuss it later on. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and keep learning. Namaskar.